Hi, I'm about to make my first pumpkin pie. This here is the 100% pure pumpkin pie filling. I think I should have had my dishes out first. Alright, here we go. Alright, so what we have here is 100% pure. Put 2 eggs in it. Put a little cinnamon in it. I'm gonna have to hurry up and make this really quick because my battery's dying. And here I have my crust, which is already formed. I have walnut pie crust. All right, eggs, cinnamon went in already. Now I have to put some butter in it. Okay. I don't know how much butter, but I'm gonna eyeball it. I think this might be enough butter right there. And got my cinnamon. Here's some nutmeg. Little nutmeg. Let's see. It also says salt. A dab of salt. 2 large eggs. Mix the ingredients in a small bowl. Beat the eggs in a large bowl. Oops. Stir in pumpkin and dry mixture ingredients. Gradually stir in milk. Pour into pie shell. Okay. Only difference is I did not beat the eggs by themselves. The eggs are going to be beaten with the pie filling. And my little chef machine broke, so I can't use this. So I have to stir it. Hi, Milo. Oh, it's heavy. As you can see, it's turning out good. I wish maybe I'll try the fork. That seems to be a little bit better. It's thinning out nicer. Tastes good. Oh gosh, it is missing sugar. So I don't have sugar, but I have Sweet and Low, and it's just a matter of finding it. But whoa. Okay. The stove, I preheat the oven to 425. You're supposed to do it for 15 minutes. the butter. So as you can see, let's put this over here so you can see this delicious, delicious pie. Milo, you want to lick this? Here. Let my dog lick the spoon now that I'm finished with it. And it says to even this out. So the pie filling was on sale for $2.50, and the pie crust was on sale for $2.50 as well. It was initial price is $5. All right. So now I'm about to put it in the oven, and voila. Okay. Watch out, baby. And here goes.